Children, we will do another exercise from the chapter Flying Together. This is about talking. So we'll have to work in pairs. Ask your friend questions about all the things he does. He or she does. Use question words such as where, what, how, who, when and why. So these are our question words. Now you understand what are question words? Question words are where, what, how, who, when and why. One is done for you. So one pair conversation has been done here for you. You can take it as an example and then later I'll explain it to you and I'll give you exercise also for practice. So one is Anu and second one is Amit. So Anu says, I watch TV in the evening. So Amit asks a question using when. When do you watch TV? You understood this? Anu issues a statement, I watch TV in the evening, and in return Amit asks a question, when do you watch TV? So one is question, another one is answer. Question is followed by the interrogation mark or the question mark. Anu, I play games. So what will be the question for this? I play. Next statement is I play games. So question can be what do you play? I play games. Or who does play games? So I play games. I collect stamps. Question will be who collect stamps? I play in the ground. Where do you play? On Sunday, I go shopping. Where do you go on Sunday? Where do you go on Sunday? So there are other questions there for you to practice. Answer these questions about yourself. What is your name? So what will be the answer? My name is so and so. What languages do you speak? How old are you? Which is your favorite food? Where did you go yesterday? Which country do you belong to? Where when do you go to sleep? So these are few questions. You have to give answers to these questions. Later on I'll provide it to you, but now you will practice it on your own. You will write down in your notebook. Or the continuation of the same exercise. One more is there. Why do you drink milk? So these 8 questions are there for you. You will read these questions and you will write down these answers. Now third question is, in groups of 5, discuss what you would do if you were caught in the following situations. So children, you will try to speak, you will try to rehearse at your home. I know you don't have groups at home of your friends, but still you can practice it with your brothers and sisters. Your friend falls in the play field and is hurt. आपका जो दोस्त है वो गिर गया है मैदान में और उसको चोट लग गई है. So what you will do? Now how you will do it now? You will write it down, then you will speak up and record your voice, and then you will send it in homework group. You are trapped in a fire. कहीं आग लग गई है और आप उस आग में फंस गए हो. You are stuck in a traffic jam. रास्ते में आप सब लोग, you might all have seen how traffic is so thick in our city. So when you are stuck in a traffic jam, what do you do? So these are three situations. These three situations are purely hypothetical situations. That means these are all imagined. You will write down, then you will post it. Let's write. The words in the clouds describe something or someone in the story. Name them in the blanks provided. You all have read this story. You all know very well who was who and who did what. So you can very well understand who was wise. Need not to say who was wise. Goose, the old bird. Old bird. Or we can say that old bird was wise. Careless. Who were careless? That flock of geese was careless. Thick and strong. What was thick and strong? That climber was thick and strong. Foolish. Who was foolish? The hunter was also foolish, and these birds were also foolish. Both were foolish. So we'll say, we'll mention that hunter here as foolish. And tall, what was tall? Tree was tall. So children, these are the wise, careless, thick and strong, foolish, tall. These are the things which describe the quality of a person or a thing. So these are describing words. Old bird. How was the old bird? Old bird was wise. So wise describes the characteristic of old bird. So these are describing words. So ये आपको क्या दिए हुए हैं? These words are called, all these words which are given to you here, these are describing words. Which describe a particular character. So we'll write it down, you will practice, and I'll give you some hints for these stories which I've asked you to write down. You will have to write in a paragraph, and that paragraph may be of 3 or 4 lines each. So practice it and do it at your home. So this is for today. Do it well. Thank you.